The mob lynching of a Sri Lankan in the name of blasphemy in Pakistan has shaken everybody's conscience. People world over are still in shock. This wasn't the first incident, and the prevailing situation in the country is a clear sign that it won't be the last. Pak government might have taken a few steps in order to control damage, but regular occurrences of such incidents have already put it across as the most unsafe country for minorities around the world.
A pall of gloom descended over the family after the Sri Lankan factory manager, who was killed in a shocking and deadly mob attack in Pakistan after being accused of blasphemy, was laid to rest. A mob of factory employees in Pakistan's Punjab province tortured and burned Priyanta Kumara on 3rd December, alleging he had committed blasphemy. People took part in a Buddhist funeral ceremony before family members of Kumara carried his casket to the local cemetery. The factory manager is survived by his wife and 2 sons. Grieving family has called the incident inhumane and is pleading for justice.
What I want to tell that as a human being, to kill an animal, we think twice, and while one killing animal also, then we will not kill like this, because it is brutally murdered and beaten to death, and then it is burn the body. Some people are telling that live.
The Sri Lankan official in a diplomatic statement said the relations between the two countries are not going to be affected by the incident.
We are very confident that this particular incident will be handled by the government of Pakistan in a manner that the justice will be given to the victim's family and the children.
This statement was released after the incident was condemned by rights watchdogs including Amnesty International and drew intense response from politicians, celebrities and journalists on social media. Pakistan's ruling party's Vice President Arshad Daad said the nation was ashamed of the incident.
शर्मिंदगी है हमें बहसीयत कौम कि हमने ये इस किस्म का वाक़या पाकिस्तान की सरज़मीन पे रूनमा हुआ और दीन और हमारे एक इस्लाम जैसे मज़हब को इस्तेमाल करके ऐसा भयानक और हौलनाक वाक़या पेश आया। पाकिस्तान की आवाम का, पाकिस्तान की लोगों का ये ज़हनियत नहीं है।
Although more than 100 people have been arrested in Pakistan and Prime Minister has publicly apologized for the same, but things are not appearing to be changing anytime soon. The blasphemy law in the country has a number of components that justify such acts, and the government has done nothing about it. And when it dared on few occasions, the Islamic fundamentalists pushed them back. And it is the successive governments in Pakistan that have provided platform, promoted or have taken support of these hardliners to form the government. As of now, there is not even one party in Pakistan which can claim of being fundamentalist free. Experts say in such circumstances, it is nearly impossible that Pakistan is going to witness any change at societal level and minorities are feeling safe anytime soon.